It's my first day of senior year today, and it's 6 a.m. and I'm talking really quietly because everybody in my house is asleep because I woke up at literally 5 a.m. today, and my school doesn't start till 8:50. I was planning on waking up at 7 a.m., but my body had completely different plans, and I can't go back to sleep. That's hair right there. So this is like probably the best that I'm gonna do because I'm looking at the mirror right here. God. I always curl in my eyelashes first. I should probably talk about school, right? Okay, I've been avoiding this. This is probably why I woke up early, because I'm literally so nervous. Even though I'm a senior and I'm not supposed to be nervous, but oh my god, I haven't seen anyone in so long. I mean, I've seen like my 2 friends, and that's it. Okay, I feel like that's good. I'm probably gonna clean them up in a little bit with a Q-tip. I'm gonna do concealer. I'm actually really excited to see what everyone wears on the first day. You know what I mean? Because I feel like TikTok has changed so many people's styles, and it's gonna be weird. Like, I'm gonna see so many people with like mom jeans and like alt. I feel like the style that I'm going for this year is like really girly and feminine. Like, that's what I want to do. Now baking time. Baking, it's not really baking. I use a Fit Me by Maybelline. I don't even know if this is considered baking, but I do this. And I kind of just picked this up. I don't even know if this is right, and the shade's like way too dark for me. But it's actually not that dark. It's fine. A little bit. It looks darker on camera than it does in my mirror. I don't know why. Afterwards, I get my butter bronzer. I know I got the wrong shade in this one because it used to be a different shade, and then this was the only one I could find at Target, but I got it anyways because it's the only one that's oil free and it's supposed to be better for my skin according to my dermatologist. And I curl them again. Last year, no, not last year. Well, kind of. Last year and sophomore year, I had great skin. And I still take care of it like I did last year and everything. But now, it literally just started breaking out. And I don't even know why. It just did. I think it might literally just be hormones. Like, it's nothing that I can control. But it's really annoying. This is the best blush. It's the Ulta blush, and I don't know why, but I just feel like it's so amazing. The Glacier blush, I used to think was so good, but it made me break out like crazy, like right here. It break out so much. I mean, it still break out here, but when I would wear it, it would make me break out. I don't know how to explain that, but maybe it was just my skin, like specifically, but I'm gonna put on a little bit more than I usually do because when you're wearing a mask anyways, it's gonna come off. Also, I just feel like it looks so much more pink on here than it does on my mirror. So I start out with this eyeliner. It's Revlon Color Stay. And okay, so this is really cheap and it's lasted me a really long time. And I put that literally under my lash line because it makes my eyelashes look thicker. It just works, trust me. I don't know if I like that. BTS mascara, the waterproof one, and I know it's terrible for your eyelashes, but it looks so good. They're really tiny, and this makes them look kind of normal, like a little bigger. I'm probably gonna have to touch up like just the ends. You can't even see, but just the bottom. But that's it, really. I'm gonna do lips. Usually for lips, I just do lip liner and lip gloss. I feel like it looks so different from freshman year. I'm really happy with this. Not that different from sophomore year, but freshman year, yeah. I'm happy with myself. I'm gonna look back at my get ready with me from sophomore year and be like, you changed. Okay. So this is what I do. I do a little bit of lip liner like right here. And it's gonna look like a little bit like a lot, but it's gonna come off. Sometimes I'll do this, sometimes I'll just do a lip balm. But today, it's lip liner. And it looks a little crazy right now. It looks like a lot. But then, you get your lip gloss, you put it on top. And you see? It just looks like regular, and it'll come off in a little bit so that it looks more normal. Right now it looks a little strong. This is from Brandy. I already told you. This is also from Brandy. These jeans are from Zara. And Urban. I'm just wearing pearl earrings, but I'll probably switch to hoops. And I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh my god. This is crazy. Jeez. Okay. So I'm probably just gonna get my backpack ready. Well, I already have my bag ready. I just want to talk about like expectations for this year and what I'm thinking about. I don't know. I'm just excited to see everyone, and it's kind of weird to be seeing all of your classmates after a year of like literally not seeing anyone. And I mean, I'm excited to see how everyone's changed. I'm not excited to take in-person tests. That's something I'm really not excited about. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say. I don't want to start my college applications. I'm excited to go to football games and do everything that I feel like I missed out on. Go to the dances, even though the dances I feel like I hated while I was there, but I still missed for some reason. I missed going to all of the events, and I feel like I just took it all for granted. But now I get like an extra year. We'll see.